Good morning, boys and girls. Okay, we'll continue chapter 5. We are on exercise 5D. Okay, in 5D, we'll see how to multiply algebraic expressions. Okay, in multiplication also we have two methods, column and row. Okay, so we'll look at both the methods. Okay, first we'll look at the column method. Question 1. 3b minus c we have to multiply by plus 7b. Okay, so multiplication, you know how to multiply numbers. Here we have these variables also, so just a little addition to that. Okay, now here first we'll look at the signs. Okay, so this is plus here and here it is minus. So when we multiply plus and minus, we get minus. So write minus sign here. Okay, then look at the numerical coefficients. Okay, the numbers. Here it is 7 and here nothing, then it's 1 here. So 7 into 1 is 7. So write 7 here. Then we have to multiply B and C. So B into C is BC. So write BC here. So minus 7 BC is our term. Okay, now the second term will multiply. Okay, here look at the signs first. So plus here and this is also plus. No sign means plus. So plus and plus multiplied, we get plus only. So no need to write plus here, it is plus. Now the numerical coefficients. Okay, the numbers. 7 into 3 is 21. Write 21 here. Now B into B is B square. So B square here. So what is the answer? This is your answer. 21 B square minus 7 BC. Okay. So just follow this method and you can multiply. Okay, here we have two terms here and two terms here. We have to multiply two terms by two terms. So one by one we'll do. Okay, again we'll start from here. Minus, negative sign is here, and plus, so minus plus is minus. So minus sign here. The numbers, minus 2 here and 1 here. So 2 into 1 is 2. We'll write 2 here. And A into B is AB. AB here. Now we'll multiply minus 2A by the second term. Okay, so again the sign minus and plus here. So it becomes minus. And numbers 2 into 3 is 6. Write 6 here. Into A is A square. Okay, so we have multiplied first expression by minus 2A. Now come to the second term, plus 5B. Again 5. Okay, start with sign. Plus sign here and plus sign here. Okay. Okay. So plus sign here. Okay, plus and plus, plus here. Now 5 into 1 is 5 here. B into B is B square. Okay, so plus 5B square we get. I have written it here this side because we have to write like terms below like terms. So plus 5B square, we don't have any B square here, so I have written it here. Now I'll multiply this by this. So both are positive, I will get positive sign here. Now 5 into 3 is 15. B into A is AB or BA. So we'll write in order AB plus 15AB. Now these are like terms, that's why I have written AB below AB. Okay. Now we can, if there are like terms, we can add them. So minus 6A square comes here, and here 15 minus 2 is 13. So 13AB and plus B square. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, now look at E part. Now we come to horizontal method. So we have to multiply 2r minus 7 by minus 3r. So in horizontal we multiply 1 by 1. So minus 3r into 2r first. Okay, so minus 2r multiply by 2r, minus 3r by 2r. Then plus again minus 3r by the second term, minus 7. Minus 3 into minus 7. Okay, now multiply them. Minus, and here plus sign here, so I will get minus sign. Then 3 into 2 is 6. We get 6. And r into r is r square. Okay, we have done. Now come here. Minus sign here and minus. Minus becomes plus. 3 into 7 is 21. And r here, no variable here, so r will come here. So this is your answer. Okay, in the answer order may be different, so no need to worry about that. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, now come to G part. We have two terms here, and a minus sign here outside the bracket. So we'll multiply with minus sign the first bracket. Okay, so we'll multiply this minus by this first bracket. So when minus sign is here outside the bracket and we open the bracket, the sign of all the terms changes. Okay, negative becomes plus and positive becomes minus. So 6 is positive here, it becomes negative. Minus 6, this negative will become positive, plus 11. Okay, put them in a bracket and multiply with the second bracket. Okay, now again 1 by 1 will multiply. Minus 6e into e. So minus sign here, plus sign here, minus will come here. And 6 here, 1 here, so minus 6, or 6 will come here. Then e into e is e square. So minus 6 e square we get. Then minus 6e into minus f. So minus becomes plus, and 6 into 1 is 6, and e into f is ef. So plus 6 ef. Now we have multiplied minus 6e with both the terms. Now we will multiply by 11. So 11 into e is 11e. 11 into minus f, minus 11f. Okay, so that is your answer. No like terms here. If there are like terms, you can add or subtract, simplify them. So no like terms, this is your answer. Okay, come to I part now. 0.2a plus 3 multiply by a minus 5. So we'll multiply first term by first term. So plus here, plus sign here, so plus will be here. 0.2 and 1 here. So 0.2 into 1 is 0.2. Now variables a into a is a square, so 0.2a square is our first term. Now multiply 0.2a into minus 5. So positive sign here, plus and minus sign here, so we'll get minus. And 0.2 multiplied by 5, so that is 1.0, that means 1 only. So 1, no need to write 1 here. Now a and no variable here, so you will get a only here, so minus a you will get. Now multiply, we have multiplied 0.2 by both the terms here. Now we multiply by 3, so 3 into a is 3a, both are positive. 3 into minus 5, minus 15. Now we have like terms here, minus a and 3a. So simplify them, you will get 2a. Write the other terms here. Okay, so this is your answer. Now come to k, x plus 2 and x upon 4 minus 7. Okay, start with first term into first term. So x into x is x square, both are positive, so positive, and upon 4. Now x into minus 7, so you get minus 7x. Now plus 2 into x upon 4, so this is 2 and this is, okay, you see here, so 2 when you multiply by x upon 4, so you can simplify it. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, so you get x upon 2. So x upon 2. Now 2 into minus 7 is minus 40. Okay, so this is your answer. Now m, look at m part. 5x plus 1 multiply by a plus x plus 3. Okay, now multiply by 5x first. 5x into a is 5ax. Okay, then 5x into x is 5x square. Then 5x into 3 is 5 3s are 15x. Now multiply by 1. 1 into a is a. You will get the same when you multiply by a. So write a plus x plus 3 here. And add the like terms if there are any. So we have, okay, 2 like terms here. 15x and x. So 15x plus 1x is 16x, and write the other terms as they are, and this is your answer. Okay, so complete question 1. Okay, then on Friday we'll complete the exercise.